Optional questions. I. Choose the correct answer. 1. Tax evasion is the illegal evasion of taxes by A. Individuals. C. Trusts. 2. Payments are A. Fees and fines. C. None of the above. B. Corporations. D. All of the above. Ands. D. All of above. B. Penalties and forfeitures. D. A and B. Ands. A. Fees and fines. 3. Levied on income of the persons. A. Indirect taxes. C. Multiple taxes. B. Direct taxes. D. Regular taxes. Ands. B. Direct taxes. 4. The word tax originated from the word taxation, which means in A. Estimate. C. Employ. B. Account. D. Income. Ands. A. Estimate. 5. Taxation in India has its roots from the period of Manusmriti and A. Indica. C. Baburnama. B. Arthasastra. D. Tholkappiyam. Ands. B. Arthasastra. 6. A government accumulates debt when expenditures exceeds A. Tax revenue. C. Foreign relation. B. Agriculture. D. Per capita income. Ands. A. Tax revenue. 7. Income tax is charged directly based on the of a person. A. Property. B. Bank balance. C. Income. D. Expenditure. Ands. C. Income. 8. Is levied on the individuals and companies alike. A. Income tax. C. Wealth tax. B. Property tax. D. Corporate tax. Ands. C. Wealth tax. 9. The GST was passed in the Parliament on the 29th of March. A. 2015. B. 2016. Ands. C. 2017. 10. C. 2017. D. 2018. Was the first country to implement GST. A. India. B. France. C. England. D. America. Ands. B. France. 11. Black money is generated when the is high. A. Foreign money. B. Income. C. Tax rate. D. Surplus money. Ands. C. Tax rate. 12. Brining costly goods by evading the authorities is A. Prohibition. C. Exemption. B. Smuggling. D. Pouching. Ands. B. Smuggling. 11. Fill in the blanks. 1. Tax is levied on companies that exist as separate entities from their shareholders. Ands. Corporate. 2. The government mobilizes its by direct taxes and indirect taxes. Ands. Financial resources. 3. The is responsible for creating and maintaining defense forces. 4. A government's ability to raise taxes is called its Ands. Union government. Ands. Fiscal capacity. 5. In India, income tax was introduced by in 1860. Ands. Sir James Wilson. Losses sustained by the 6. In 1860, income tax was introduced in India to meet the government on account of the 7. The major indirect taxes in India are Ands. Mutiny of 1857. 8. Goods and Service Tax, GST, is also known as a Ands. Customs duty and GST. 9. Tax levied on goods and service in a fixed portion is known as ANS, 1-point tax. ANS, proportionate tax. 10. Taxation can be used as an instrument for controlling ANS, inflation. 3. Choose the correct statement. 1. Choose the incorrect statements. A shortage of goods, whether natural or artificial, is the root cause of black money. B. Industrial sector has been the major contributor to black money. C. Smuggling is one of the major sources of black money. D. When the tax rate is low, more black money is generated. A and B. B, D. C, A. D, B and C. ANS, B, D. 2. Choose the correct statements. A. In progressive tax system, income increases, the tax rate also increases. B. In the proportionate tax system, the rate taxation is the same regardless of the size of income. C. Shortage of goods is the root cause of black money. D. When the tax rate is low, more black money is generated. A and B. C, A. B, D. D, A, B and C. ANS, D, A, B and C. 3. Choose the correct statements. A. Tax evasion is the illegal evasion of taxes by individuals, corporations, and trusts. B. The Union government through Indian Bank controls money supply, rate of interest, inflation, and foreign exchange rate. C. India is committed to world peace. D. Some indirect taxes are income tax, wealth tax, and corporate taxes. A and B. B, A and D. C, A and C. D, A, B and C. ANS, C, A and C. 1. Write the canons of tax system. Every type of tax has some advantages and disadvantages. So, we have a tax system, that is, a collection of variety of taxes. There are some characteristics of tax system that economists think should be followed while designing a tax system. These characteristics are called as canons of taxation. The list of canons of taxation are: I. Canon of equality. E. Canon of certainty. E. Canons of economy and convenience and IV. Canons of productivity and elasticity. 2. Write a note on proportionate taxes. Tax levied on goods and service in a fixed portion is known as proportionate taxes. All taxpayers contribute the same proportion of their incomes. In this method, the rate of taxation is the same regardless of the size of income. The tax amount realized varies in the same proportions that of income. Example: tax base, tax rate, amount of tax, 10,000 rupees, 10%, 1,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, 10%, 2,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees, 10%, 3,000 rupees, 40,000 rupees, 10%, 4,000 rupees. 3. What are the evasion penalties? Tax evasion penalties include imprisonment of up to 5 years and high amount as fines. The defendant may also be ordered to pay for the costs of prosecution. Other tax evasion penalties include community service, probation, and restitution depending on the circumstances of the case. Tax evasion penalties can be harsh depending on the severity of the crime.